Bitter melon, also called bitter gourd or Momordica charantia, is a tropical fruit that grows in Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean. It has a bitter taste and bumpy look, but is really healthy. It's like a hidden superfood because it has lots of good stuff inside. While other superfoods like kale and blueberries get all the fame, bitter melon should also be celebrated for its amazing nutrition. It has lots of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which help with everything from blood sugar to digestion. In this video, we'll show you why bitter melon is a superfood you need. We'll also tell you how it can change your health for the better. Bitter melon is full of important vitamins and minerals. It's packed with vitamin C, which helps your immune system. It also has vitamin A, which is great for your eyes and skin. There are also B vitamins to help your energy and nervous system. It has minerals like iron to stop anemia, magnesium for muscles, and potassium to keep your blood pressure normal. Bitter melon is low in calories and high in fiber, which helps digestion and controls blood sugar, so it's great for weight loss and overall health. Bitter melon is known for helping control blood sugar levels, making it perfect for people with type 2 diabetes. It has ingredients that work like insulin, making your body better at using it. This helps keep your blood sugar stable. Bitter melon has antioxidants that fight stress and protect cells. This helps lower the chance of getting heart disease and cancer. It also helps your immune system with lots of vitamin C, which helps your body fight infections and swelling. Plus, its fiber helps your digestion, stopping constipation and easing stomach problems. Bitter melon helps you lose weight because it's low in calories and full of fiber, making you feel full longer and stop overeating. It may also help your metabolism by burning fat faster, making your body burn fat better. Bitter melon is good for heart health because it helps lower bad cholesterol, lowering bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while raising good HDL cholesterol. This helps reduce the chance of heart problems and keeps your metabolism working well. Bitter melon is great for skin because it has antioxidants, especially vitamin C, which helps stop swelling and treats skin problems like acne and eczema. It also helps clean your body, which can make your skin clearer. Putting bitter melon juice on your skin may reduce pimples and make your skin look better. For hair, bitter melon helps make hair stronger and helps hair grow. The vitamin C in bitter melon helps make collagen, which keeps your scalp and hair strong. It can also help with dandruff, making your hair shiny and healthy. How to add bitter melon to your diet? You can eat bitter melon fresh by slicing it thin and putting it in salads. To make it less bitter, take out the seeds, salt the slices, then rinse them after 10 minutes. Cooking it is another yummy choice. You can stir-fry bitter melon, add it to curries, or stuff it with spices or meat to balance the taste. It's also great in soups and stews. If you want something fast, try bitter melon juice by blending the fruit with water or other fruits. You can also take bitter melon in supplements like pills or extracts, which give the same benefits without the bitter taste. Warnings and side effects. While bitter melon is healthy, some people need to be careful. If you take diabetes medicine, ask a doctor first, because bitter melon might lower blood sugar too much. Pregnant women should not eat too much because it could cause problems with the womb. Bitter melon is safe for most people. Some people might get tummy issues like cramps or diarrhea, especially if they eat too much. Allergic reactions are rare, so it's a good idea to start with a little and see how your body feels. If something feels off, stop using it and talk to a doctor. Bitter melon is a superfood full of good stuff, helping control blood sugar, boosting immunity, aiding digestion, and even helping with weight loss. Its antioxidants help with swelling, and its vitamins and minerals keep you healthy. Try adding bitter melon to your meals, whether it's fresh, cooked, or in juice. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have you ever tried bitter melon? Tell us in the comments.